Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Home Improvement Life with Drew, although today it's going to be cooking with Drew. We're going to be making a soup made famous in Kentucky back way in the 1800s, and it's called Burgoo stew, and it was made as a community, or actually it was very famous during the Civil War, where they would bring in whatever meats they had, put it in a pot, vegetables, and let it cook for like 30 hours. We're not going to cook ours for 30 hours. But we're going to be using chicken, beef, and pork. So stay tuned and let's get cooking. Instead of having a big cauldron over an outdoor fire, we're going to be using this crock pot. The crock pot has a very thick ceramic insert, and that helps us with the heat distribution. I've also cut up some meat. You can see here's the pork and the beef there, and there's some chicken here. And the next thing we're going to do is chop up some vegetables. And then we're going to brown the meat and the pork and just put the chicken in the crock pot. Okay, as you can see, we've set the clock for 6 hours. We've got it on a low heat setting, and we'll let this cook, and we'll come back periodically to stir it up, and then we'll see what it tastes like at the end. Okay, after 6 hours of cooking, this is what we have. We'll give it a taste test, and it just looks amazing. It looks really good. It's very hot too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so good. If you like this kind of content, you'd like to see more cooking, please leave a comment. Otherwise, hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.